Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add sun rays in Snapseed. If you are new to Snapseed and you don't know how to add sun rays in Snapseed, I'm going to show you an easy way to do it. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open the Snapseed app and now click on the plus icon to add the photo that you want to add sun rays to. For example, I'll choose this image. Now, to add the sun rays, click on Tools, and if you scroll a bit, you'll see double exposure. Simply click on it. Click here to add sun rays from your gallery. As you can see, I've already downloaded PNG format of the sun rays. So choose the sun ray that you want to add to the photo. I'll choose this one. Now, place it wherever you feel like placing the sun rays. And you can also play around with the opacity of sun rays and different overlays like this. And once you're happy with your edit, simply click here to save changes. And just like that, we have added sun rays in Snapseed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.